What's up, Tater Tots? It's your girl Tati, back at it with another 12 Days of Slay, and today is day 6 of 12 Days of Slay. Now, today was supposed to be a vision board video because I don't know if y'all know this, but I have had some chit-chatty videos, and I decided to have some tutorial type videos, but I decided to really give y'all a beats look. I have not given y'all a slay for like the gods type of look, and I really want to take it there. So if you're ready to see a full glam, like full coverage beat face, go ahead and make sure you keep watching this video. And if you know you might not be into that, but you just want to continue to support your girl on her 12 Days of Slay, then make sure you keep on watching this video. Give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that type of stuff. And now let's get into it. I think that my brows are the hardest thing for me to do glam. I'm not gonna lie, because I'm just not, I don't know. I feel like I can do them glam, but I just don't feel like to other people they're like really that glam. Right now I'm taking some brow mascara. This is the Easy Breezy Brow Shape and Define from CoverGirl. I'm using that on my eyebrows. It is in the shade Rich Brown. It's a little dark because I usually mix this with my I mix it sometimes with my mascara, but it's still light enough and it doesn't make my brows too dark. Boom, and brows are done. Now you can go there with your brows, but for your girl, I just like a natural brow. I'm sorry, what can I say? What can I say? What can I say except you're welcome. And now I have to go get my makeup bag out of my restroom because I just realized I've been doing a lot of stuff this weekend. I'm sorry if I'm talking so fast. It is literally like probably 10 to 12 o'clock at night, but I'm so hyped. Don't know why. But I was going to graduation, stuff like that. So I got my makeup products in a different bag. So let me go get them real quick. I'm taking my LA Girl concealer in the shade Espresso, and I'm going to carve out my brows real quick. I think these are the thickest our brows have been in this whole series, even though y'all might look at them and be like, your brows are not that thick. This is definitely the most full I've had them. And I think that that's just because I haven't had time to play around with my brows since they have been lightened. But since I'm wearing a wig today, I gotta do some little extra. Okay. Oh, I didn't tell y'all. I'm just using a flat concealer brush to put that on my lid, by the way. I know I didn't tell y'all. Sorry. And then I'm using the AOA Studios F19 brush to blend that out. That's just my concealer brush. Y'all already know to get down. We're setting our eyes with the AOA Studios F32 brush and our Sephora Micro Smooth in Ebony, and then we're going to start on our eyes. This looks so good. When creating this look, I was stuck in between two things. I was at work and I was thinking about it, and I'm like, let me put this down some because I just feel like I'm a little too high up. But I was like, you know what would be perfect for this look? Blue. As always, go in blue together. That would be great. I haven't did that, even though I have a blue look coming up. But sun just got me hot girl expired, you know. So I decided I'm gonna serve that type of tease. I'm gonna use my NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade color Phoenix, like the palette. I think this give you all your hot girl type of stuff. I got icy girl type of thing coming up. I gotta have a hot girl thing type of coming up. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here from the NYX palette. And I'm going to take an AOA Studios, of course, 127 brush. I'm gonna put that all over my lid and see how I like it. Ironically, I guess when I put wigs on, I just unlock my inner Megan, because fun fact, my green look that I did, that makeup look was definitely inspired by Megan Thee Stallion. Everything wasn't the same, but it most definitely was inspired. I just had to cut out some things just because I feel like the video was too long. I think that you know, I had just got back into editing and I'm still trying to work on my editing, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna cut these parts out and give the people the basic parts. But Yeah, that's a look that's also inspired by me. We're zoomed in, but we're not fully zoomed in, okay? Now, next we're gonna go in with this shade right here. And I'm taking an AOA Studios E128 brush to apply this color. I'm applying this color. Ooh, that showed up a lot more than I thought it would. Can y'all see me? Okay. Hopefully I'm in focus because, oh, baby, that last video. Well, day 4. And in that video made me so mad, y'all. I apologize if I'm out of focus at any point of this video or any point of my other videos. Sometimes I can't see because I don't have my glasses. I haven't had them in for a long time, so that's why sometimes it's like blurry, especially when I can't, like, when I put lashes on and stuff. A lot of times after I put my lashes on, I literally cannot see anything. So I just be praying to God I'm in focus. Now we're gonna deepen this up even more. We're gonna go into this darker purple shade right here, and we're gonna use that. I'm switching to an AO Studios F129 brush and using that same purple shade. Now I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm using the same price that we use on our eyebrows, so I'm using the LA Girl. I'm using the LA Girl in Espresso and the same brush that we use on our eyebrows to carve out our crease. Baby, we keep this summertime fine. Do you hear me? I'm gonna take a flat brush. This is from Morphe. It doesn't really have a name. It's just like a flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm gonna add my MAC pigment, and this is the shade Melon. My camera died, so if the angle is a little different, that's why. But baby, these are the eyes. I'm gonna go in with a blending brush from BH Cosmetics. I think this is number 3 brush. And I'm gonna take that black from this palette. I'm gonna add the tiniest amount to this outer V. Now I'm just going back in with the E29 brush with absolutely nothing added on. And I'm blending out that black and blending out these edges just a little bit. I'm going in with foundation. I'm taking F15 from Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I'm putting that in the center of my face, just to see if I can put this all over my face at this moment. Yeah, it's not that bad. So I'm gonna put this all over my face. And I'm gonna blend that out with a brush. And I'm gonna use my AOA Studios F6 brush, of course. This is my favorite brush for foundation. Now I'm taking F18, which is my summer shade, and the e.l.f. Flawless blending brush is like this. And I'm going to cream contour with that. And now that that's done, we're gonna go in and we're gonna highlight. And we're gonna highlight using Espresso from LA Girl. Now I'm going in with my AOA Studios F19 brush, the same brush that I used on my lid. And I'm going to blend out this concealer. Now I'm going to set my under eyes and all of my highlighted areas with my Sephora Micro Smooth. This is the part where I would typically bake, but since I do not have enough Laura Mercier to use, and I don't have a baking powder that's light enough that I'm comfortable with using, I'm just going to add a little extra Micro Smooth under my eyes and T-zone and all those other areas. Just an extra layer. Now I'm going to contour. I'm using this Eco Stools brush. It's like a blush brush, an angled blush brush. I'm going into my Ruby Kisses contour palette, and I'm using that darkest shade that I typically use. And I'm gonna put this right there in just the hollows of my cheek and a little bit on my forehead. Not too much on my forehead because my forehead's already pretty small. And then I'm gonna do under my chin. Now we're gonna bronze, and we're taking our AOA Studios F28 brush, and I'm gonna use this shade to bronze. For blush, we're going to use our Juvia's Place Sahara Blush Palette, Volume 1, and we're going to take the shade Neo. gonna add the tiniest bit of Abby right here. Not too much, just a little bit. And I'm gonna add Abby towards the back. Not really on the apples of my cheek, but much more towards the back, blending into my contour. So your girl got the highlight. For highlight, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Crown of My Canopy in my AOA Studios F34 brush, and I'm going to highlight. I'm switching to my e.l.f. highlighting brush for my face. I'm going to take this up a tiny notch by using my Cardi Bobble palette. I'm going to use this shade right here. And we're also going to use that shade on our inner corner. And let's mix it in a little bit with the shade that we're using. So I'm going to take this lighter shade right here. While our lash glue is drying, we're going to do our lip combo. I went to go add my lashes. These are the regular lashes that I've been using for almost this whole thing. And I added the lip. This is the Mega Lash Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild in the color Goth Topic. Baby. I changed my shirt as well. And this is what we got. This is the cutest. I just love this look. I personally really love this look. Ignore this spot. Hair, lash glue, whatever. But on a different note, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. If you like this look, because let's be real. Let's be real. This is a look. Go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you share this video and just share all the videos in 12 Days of Slay because I really appreciate that. I really work hard on this series and putting in time and effort to do it. So every piece of help and support and comments and all of that you can give me, I really appreciate. Go ahead and comment down below a goal that you have for 2020. My goal for 2020 is to get a MacBook so that I can edit more and be more consistent because I really love YouTube and I want to, drop more YouTube videos more consistently. Then last but not least, come on now. You know what you gotta do. You know what you gotta do already. Subscribe to my channel so you could grow with your girl. 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 Break it down. Break it down. Break it down. I honestly didn't have to lay this wig down. That's ugly. Oh well. Now I told y'all I was gonna give y'all a beat look. And someone was on my lip this whole time. Y'all ain't seen me.